Please, someone help me.
Take my hand.
Thank you. I don't know what would have happened without you, sir.
You don't have to call me sir. You shouldn't be here alone. This forest can be unpredictable. What is your name, miss?
My name is Leah. May I know yours?
You really don't know who I am? I'm Derek.
Where do you live, Derek?
In the palace, I spend most of my time there.
Then you work for the royal family? Really?
Let's just say, I deal with the king and queen's bad moods every day.
There you are, Prince.
Derek. Just call me Derek. I'm afraid I must go now. I hope to see you again soon, Leah.
I hope so too, Derek.
Your Highness, don't forget your engagement to Princess Elena.
Relax. The engagement is duty. This is just a bit of amusement before the wedding.
Oh, I found my necklace. I had left it in my room, but I need you to clean all my shoes.
Of course.
Girls, we've been invited to the King's Royal Masquerade Ball. Only the most important families are invited.
We're going to the palace. We might even meet the prince.
The palace. That's where he lives. It would be so lovely to go to a palace ball. I wonder what it's like.
I can help you. After I take them to the palace, and I'll come back for you and I'll help you get inside.
Really? You'd do that for me?
For you, Leah, I'd do anything.
Thank you so much, Liam. Hi, Dad. I'm so glad you're feeling better. They're so heavy.
Oh, this is divine. Look at all these. I know, you look stunning. Let's try more. Yes, this way.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Leah, bring us something to eat.
Oh, wow!
Leah, she's here. Excuse me, I'll be back in a moment.
Thank you.
I was hoping to see you again.
Derek, what are you doing here?
I was sent on a dull errand, but seeing you made it worthwhile.
Here, try this. I should go now.
Wait. Now, that's a proper goodbye.
Bye. Where is my prince?
Let me help you.
There's no more room in the carriage. You'll have to walk.
I'm sorry, Leah. Are you sure you'll be okay?
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Oh my god.
Prince Derek, are you alright? I missed you.
Keep moving, old cat! Don't block the way!
Please, let me help you. Please take this.
You have a pure heart. Take this mirror. Use it when you truly need it.
Oh, wow!
Why would she give this to me?
This dress is already out of fashion. It's useless. perfect! The prince will fall for me!
Oh no! I forgot my mask! What was that noise?